One song you listen to is $15, and 10 songs is $150. This adds up to over $1,900 in earnings. But can you really make money just by listening to music? I spent over 100 hours researching different websites and apps, so you don't have to. The idea of making money passively just by playing music in the background sounds too good to be true. But is it? Let's find out. The first website I came across was radioearn.com. This platform claims to pay users for listening to music on the radio. The process is simple. You go to the website, click on the sign up button, enter your details, including your email address, create a password, solve a CAPTCHA, and then click register. Once you log in, you'll see an option on the left-hand side that says Start Earning, where you can listen to the radio and begin making money. All you need to do is press Start Radio and listen to music for 15 minutes to get paid. It sounds like an easy way to earn, but when I checked Trustpilot, the website only had a 2-star rating. Many users complained that the payouts were extremely low, and that you can only make a few dollars, even after listening for a long time. This made me realize that while Radio Earn does pay, it's definitely not something you can rely on for significant income. So, I kept looking for better ways to make money by listening to music. The second method I found was using shrinkme.io or any similar paid URL shortener service. These platforms allow you to get paid every time someone clicks on your link. You might be wondering how this connects to music, but here's how it works. You find a popular song or a playlist that you like, copy its link, and then paste it into shrinkme.io to generate a shortened version of the link. Once shortened, you share this link on platforms like Pinterest or Imgur, where people searching for music will come across it. If they click on your link, you get paid. The earnings depend on how many clicks you get, with rates of up to $22 per 1,000 clicks. Signing up is straightforward. You just click on the register button, create an account with a username and password, and log in. Once inside, you click on New Shortened Link, paste the URL of the song or playlist, and the platform will generate a shortened version of it. The withdraw section on the left side of the website allows you to cash out using different payment methods, including PayPal, although there is a 4% fee. This method won't make you rich, but with the right strategy and enough traffic, you can make some extra cash. The third and most interesting way to make money by listening to music is through playlistpush.com. This platform pays you to review songs and playlists, and you can earn up to $15 per song you review. That means if you review just 10 songs, you can make $150. And the best part is that they offer instant payouts. The way it works is that new artists sign up to promote their music and get feedback, while people like us sign up as curators to review their songs. The sign-up process involves creating an account, filling in some details, and verifying that you meet the platform's requirements. Once accepted, you can start listening to songs, writing reviews, and getting paid directly to your PayPal account. Unlike many other websites, Playlist Push has positive reviews on Trustpilot, meaning it's a legitimate way to earn money. The fourth website on our list is soundcampaign.com, another platform where you can get paid up to $14 per song review. This means you listen to a song, write a review, and provide honest feedback so that the artist can improve. The platform also offers instant payouts, making it an attractive option for those looking to make money by reviewing music. Signing up is simple. You just need to click on the Apply Now button and sign up using your Spotify account. Once approved, you can start reviewing songs and getting paid. Not only do you earn money, but you also get to support independent artists by giving them constructive feedback. The fifth way to make money by listening to music involves using like4like.org, a social media engagement exchange marketplace. On this platform, you can exchange listening to music for things like Instagram likes, followers, YouTube views, and other social media engagement. To get started, you just press the register button, create an account, and then start listening to music on platforms like Spotify, TikTok, or YouTube. The engagement you earn can then be resold on other platforms, which is how people actually make money from this method. It's not direct cash, but if you know how to sell engagement services, this can be a creative way to monetize your time spent listening to music. The sixth method I found is through cashstar.com, a platform that pays users to play music on Spotify and YouTube. You can earn anywhere from $10 to $15 per song, but the catch is that you first need to get on their waiting list. To do that, you simply enter your name and email address, and once a spot opens up, they notify you. However, based on reports from users, it can take 2 to 3 months to get accepted. But once you're in, you can get paid for simply playing songs in the background, making this one of the easier ways to earn money while doing other tasks. The 7th website on our list is musicgateway.com, a platform designed for music promotion, where you can get paid to listen to and review songs. The way it works is simple. You go to the curator section of the website and sign up for free by pressing the Apply Now button. Once accepted, you'll receive songs to listen to and review, and you'll earn money based on the feedback you provide. The platform primarily connects artists with listeners who can help boost their music's exposure, making it another great option to earn while supporting musicians. Another similar app where you can make money by listening to music and completing different tasks is Freecash. On this platform, you can go to the Earn section on the left-hand side, where you'll find various ways to earn money, including listening to music. However, just like Pawns.app, the payouts aren't very high. To get started, you simply press the sign up button, enter your email address and password, and create an account. Once logged in, you can start completing tasks and earning rewards, which can be withdrawn through different payment methods, including PayPal and cryptocurrency. Another app people use to make money by listening to music is Cash for Minutes. This platform is known for speedy payments, but it's also one of the lowest paying options available. It allows users to earn by listening to radio streams, but the earnings per minute are relatively small. To get started, you create an account, connect your payment details, and start earning by tuning in to different stations. While it's not the most profitable option, some users still use it to make a little extra cash on the side. Another interesting way people have been making money by listening to music is by using an app called Cash Magnet. This app allows you to earn passive income while doing nothing. You don't even need to actively listen to music. It works by sending SMS messages to your phone while you sleep, and you get paid for simply receiving them. So, you can play your favorite songs in the background while the app generates a little extra cash for you. However, the earnings are quite low, so it's more of a small passive income stream rather than a full-fledged money-making method. Now, if you're looking for a solid way to make money by listening to music, one of the most effective methods is offering music review services on Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelance marketplace where people sell all kinds of services, including listening to and reviewing music. If you search for music review on the platform, you'll find that there are about 100 sellers offering this service, but thousands of buyers are actively looking for reviews on their songs. Some sellers charge $10 to $25 per song, and a few have received over 1,000 orders, meaning there's strong demand in this niche. To get started on Fiverr, first sign up for an account and switch to seller mode by clicking on Switch to Selling. Then, go to the Gig section and click on Create a New Gig. In your gig title, describe your service clearly, such as, I will review your song and provide honest feedback. Set competitive pricing, offer different packages, e.g., basic, standard, and premium for longer and more detailed reviews, and write a clear and professional description explaining how your feedback can help musicians improve their work. To attract more buyers, it's crucial to optimize your gig by adding relevant keywords, using a high-quality thumbnail, such as an image of a music studio or a sound wave, and writing a strong gig description. You can also offer a fast turnaround time, e.g., 24-hour delivery, to stand out from the competition. Once your gig is live, musicians and producers looking for honest feedback on their songs can hire you, and you'll get paid for every review you provide. This method allows you to turn your love for music into a legitimate income stream, while helping artists improve their craft. Plus, since Fiverr allows global clients, you can scale your earnings over time and even create a full-time gig if you get consistent orders. So there you have it. Multiple ways you can actually make money just by listening to music. Some methods pay more than others, and some require a bit of effort. But if you're serious about turning this into a side hustle, platforms like Fiverr or SoundCampaign can be a great place to start. And hey, even if you just want to earn a little extra cash while enjoying your favorite songs, apps like Cash Magnet or Music Gateway can still help you make some passive income. Now, if you want to make serious money online, I found a better side hustle that even a complete beginner can start right away, and it's very profitable. 99% of people have never even heard of it, so now is a great time to start. Click the link in the description to learn more.